What would they do? Hi everyone, welcome to another Miroverse template video, and in this video we'll take a look at a template that's very dear to me. It is called What Would They Do? It is your personal workbook. Now this topic, what would they do, is something that I presented at Medium Day 2023, and if you have a look at the links over here in the description, and in this board, it's all over there. This is a topic that I presented, and what I thought was I would convert the same thing, I would repurpose the same talk, and extract the main points into a Miro board, which can be used by everybody, has their own personal workbook. Now, if you look at the Miro board over here, we have some pre-event stuff, which is just the links and the promotional material to and the credits to the various design assets used here. But this is all for the event. The event is done and dusted, but the links are just over here. Now, post event, this is where your personal workbook will be useful. There were four main points that I talked about in my presentation. One is take your time to find a good role model. Second is to observe, absorb, and learn. Third was to ask yourself what would they do. And third and final, fourth one is to take your training wheels off and see yourself excel. And now for each of these 4 points, I've just added some more prompts which you can put post-it notes under, and the examples are over here. But you can put post-it notes under and complete it and use that like your personal workbook. Now, the details of the talk itself is separate. The video recording is separate, so I won't repeat all of the content over here. But I will post a link to the recorded talk in the description of this YouTube video. It is on my channel, and I'll also post a link to this template down in the YouTube description. So do check out both the links, the workbook and the recording itself, because they sort of complement each other. Now on this page itself, just like other templates, you have the preview of the board. You can click on the blue button to copy this template to your Miro account. And of course you can like and you can share it with your network as well. A little bit description and context behind creating the board, and some links to the different places. But that's pretty much it for this workbook. I am really curious to see how you use your personal workbook. Of course, if you have any questions after you have watched the video and after you have used the workbook, please feel free to post it down in the comments below. And of course, if you have any thoughts about this workbook, what would they do, this framework, please post them in the comments under this YouTube video. That's it for this video. Do like the video, share this video with your network, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. That helps a lot. Thanks for watching. See you in another video.